I've been woodworking most of my life. It started with my grandfather, and he taught it to my papa, and well, papa taught me. I used to try to make furniture. Turns out I'm not very good at it. They're always either too big or too small. Right now, I'm really into beehives. It's just nice to know that I can craft something that will be a home for Mother Nature's creatures. The free honey is kind of nice too. Sure, I could go out and just buy the things that I make, but where's the fun in that? I guess I just like the satisfaction of knowing that I made these things with my own bare hands. There's something about having a place to go where you can forget about your worries and your strife. For me, there's nothing better than waking up from a long nap, hitting that crisp shop, hot cup of coffee, the sweet smell of yesterday's sawdust. It's a way of life. Well, you could say it's a necessity. We're done. All right, is it lunchtime? Great. Has anyone seen my picnic basket? You know the guy in the Sharma commercials? Yeah, the blue guy? That's my brother. No, this isn't my first time being on camera. I was up for the role of Gentle Ben. I didn't get it. He said I was too good looking. Yeah, I was the voice of one of the bears in The Lion King.
There weren't any bears in The Lion King.
Did I say Lion King? Sorry, I meant the Tiger King.